Okay, this is called a smoker, and we use this when we go up to a hive. I already have the super off of this hive, and I'll explain to you what a super is in a minute. But before we get in the hive, we smoke it. Just a few puffs of smoke like this. And it actually makes the bees a little calmer. You wouldn't know it looking right now, they're pretty wound up, but I've been in this hive already. So we put the smoker out of the way, we go into the hive, and these two boxes are called the brood box. So they come in on the lower, the landing board on the bottom. They come in here into the hive, and that's where they bring their nectar and pollen from collection from nature along with water. And the bees are actually born in these two boxes. These are called brood boxes. And inside here is one queen that this hive has, and we have a video of her we'll show you as well. But the bees, the eggs are laid here, and the eggs are hatched and turned into a larva. And after about 5 days, they turn into a pupa, and then the bees cap the pupa, and those become worker bees in 21 days after the egg's laid, or drone bees in about 28 days after the queen lays the egg. So I'll look for a worker bee while we're in here. But I just want to show you that. This contraption here, this metal contraption, is called a queen excluder. If you look at it, worker bees can fit through here, but the queen is much larger than a worker bee, and she cannot. So this assures us that the queen stays down inside the lower brood boxes. You don't want to get the queen up in the honey supers, because she'll lay eggs there, and you'll have eggs in with the honey. So let me show you. This is the next box I'm going to lift up. It's called a honey super. And this goes on top of the queen excluder. And inside the honey super is where they store the nectar. So the bees go out into nature and they collect nectar. And they put it in these frames. Okay? They pull out a frame here. So this is a frame. And inside this frame, we have nectar. See this shiny stuff in here? That's nectar. It's not quite honey yet. It won't be honey until the moisture gets down to about 17–18%. So at this point, they're collecting nectar. It's early in the spring still. And as the spring progresses, they'll start capping over this nectar with wax. And once it's capped over with wax, it's known as honey. So this time of year, we collect honey primarily from flowers like the tulip poplar, some blueberries, some blackberries, some other trees that are around, some hollies. Just a lot of different trees are producing nectar this time of year. Okay?